This song is a theme of celebration, and I want to bring on stage the Gusii folk dance that are going to give us some set of entertainment as we continue with the program. Tuwakaribishe kwa makofi mazuri jameni. Let us appreciate them as they come to the stage. Very well. Tuwapigie makofi jameni, eh? Asante, asante. Karibuni sana. So as they continue to organize themselves, ninaarifiwa ya kwamba kule ambapo wazazi wetu wamekaa, kuna wazazi wengine wamesimama na kuna viti ambavyo vimekaliwa na watoto. If you are a parent and you have given your child a seat, make sure that you also consider that there are other parents standing. Kama unaweza kuwa gracious enough, you can give a parent a seat just to sit asisimame sana. Karibu sana.
Beautiful people, guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, we at the NIBS Music Club ready to present a Gusii folk dance and song. This song and dance are danced during happy moments. For example, after a good meal, and now that you are graduating, we are celebrating you too. So just sit back, relax, you'll have a good time. Welcome.
Yeah.
Hebu tuwapongeze kwa makofi mazuri jameni, eh? Tuwapongeze kwa makofi mazuri jameni. Asante. This team will also be back here. We are just about to receive our chief guest in a short while. So the Gusii team, please don't go very far away. You'll be back here in a short while. Right now, we want to invite Miriam to come and give us what we call the valedictorian. Yeah. The valedictorian to come and present. Miriam, please. You can take the stage. And yes, Miriam is that one. Tumpigia makofi mazuri. Miriam is one of our graduates. And we appreciate you so very, very, very much. So wazazi wetu, our guardians, our parents, and all our distinguished guests, please feel welcome and comfortable. And we appreciate your presence here. And for the graduates, we are all live on Jamba TV. Tafadhali ukiona kamera karibu na wewe, unaweka smile, si ndio? Unaonekana taifa nzima. Thank you so very much, Miriam.
Asante sana, our MC. I'm just wondering whether I'll keep up with the energy that you just introduced. But by the grace of God, tunaweza. Si tunaweza? Amen. Now, our chief guest, Mr. Elijah Mwangi, CBS Principal Secretary, Department for Sports in the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Sports and Digital Economy. Our distinguished guest, our beloved director, the board of directors, management, trainers, guardians, and my fellow graduates. Good morning. I am Wangoi Wamaora Miriam. I represent the class of 2025, and yes, I am from the Department of ICT. What a joy and an honor it is to stand before you today, representing a class that dared to dream